Ashes drift where dreams collide. The flames of eyes it burns inside. Not of the earth, not of the air. It lives within, it's always there. So fire burning through my veins, through joy, through loss, through every chain. No night can end, no fear can tire the living breath of soul fire. You up, 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 you hums beneath the bones of time, a rhythm older than the climb. It shapes the word before it's said. It lights the path where angels tread.